G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. And today is a quick video to bring you, of course, a new addition to Project 20, and that is a Gears of War snub. Now, of course, I had to include something from the Gears of War franchise to take part in this project. Gears of War is one of those amazing franchises that continues to grow and has been around for quite some time and was a huge impact on me and many other gamers, of course, back in the days. So to find something from the franchise wasn't too difficult. There's only a few small guns in it. Most of them are rather large and big, protruding things, so I decided to go with the Snub. Now, the Snub is, of course, on screen now. It's a very iconic piece. It's one that you can definitely identify as being Gears of War. It doesn't reflect or look similar to any other gun that I personally know of in any other game, so that is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm trying to include it on Project 20. So this is my final result. This has all been made out of styrofoam, so it's extremely lightweight. It has taken a bit of damage, unfortunately, due to shipping, but for the most part, it still has survived relatively well. This was a very easy build to do, even though it does look rather detailed. There's a lot of individual sections, a lot of different layers, but really that's just simple carving into the already created layer. You're not adding additional pieces. The only thing I've added is maybe this section here and this piece, of course, at the front. All this other internal detail has just simply been carved in. That does take a bit of time, but that's not difficult. Now, this is a build that you could do out of EVA foam. You just have to rely on a lot of scoring techniques. You couldn't be able to carve the same detail out of EVA foam. It's just extremely hard to do out of that material, but you could definitely use a rotary tool or a Dremel and just score all these lines and get a very similar effect. So if you want to do that, you can, of course. You can grab the templates now for free in the description box below. As well as in that PDF, you'll find a few other cool designs from the game, including the Lancer and the Hammerburst, I believe I've put in there. If you do want to actually build the Lancer, I do have a tutorial for it. You can see the thumbnail on screen right now, and of course you can go find that at the end of the video, so click on that to go learn how to make that out of EVA foam. So many people have done it so far. They love the tutorial. You get a really nice piece at the end of it, and of course if you want to take it a step further, you can use your own skills to give it that extra oomph if you want. But I'm very happy with how this turned out, and of course this will take a nice center stage there on Project 20 board, which I actually have off screen now. I've put it up. I've got 16. This is the 16th prop I've produced and it's hanging on the wall. I've still got space for another 4, of course, to complete the 20, so I can't wait to show you guys. I'd love to turn the camera around right now, but I want to save that till the final release. So it's looking cool. I'm very happy. It looks different to these boards because these are all like maybe 7 props large. This is like a whole bunch of them in rows, and it looks really cool. Very unique. But that's it, I'll wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, get those free templates in the PDF below. And if you want to learn the Lancer, click the video at the end. And until the next video, I'll catch you later.